Welcome to the TEXA IDC5 Exchange Manager training module. In this module, we're going to show you how to use the Exchange Manager in order to load trim files into your ECM. So you're going to need to use the off-highway or on-highway Exchange Manager on the desktop, and then have access to your trim file located here, like we do on the desktop. So we're going to open up the Exchange Manager and choose the In folder. This is where we'll be able to find our information later when we need it in the IDC5 software. Now we'll select our manufacturer. From here you can just drag and drop your file into its specified path. Now it's time to go ahead and open up the IDC5 software and connect to the vehicle so we can go ahead and program our new trim file. And then we're going to go ahead and make our vehicle selection. We can either make a vehicle selection or use the powertrain tab. But we're going to choose an International with a Caterpillar since this is a real vehicle we're connected to. So we've chosen the Caterpillar engine, and now we're going to choose the diesel injection. And we're going to choose the Caterpillar protocol. Now that we're connected, we're going to have to click on our Settings tab in order to find our trim file or IQA settings adjustment. And here we have our Injectors coding with trim file. So we're going to make that selection and click Start. From here we'll click Confirm. Now we're going to have a list of all of our current trim files. You can select which injector you want to change by clicking the up or down arrows. We're going to change the trim file for Injector 1. We'll click Confirm. Now it's going to bring up the available trim files that we loaded into that file earlier. So you're going to need to highlight that trim file and then click the check mark. Now we're going to have to enter the injector confirmation code located on the injector itself. Once we enter that code and click Confirm, you'll see that our injector number 1 trim file has now been changed. And this concludes our injector trim file coding using the Exchange Manager. Thank you for joining us.